Today's hatchlings. You can't see anything but little black dots. Popped out the microscope. Oh, here he comes. Look at this little head. Look at it, he's just kind of undulates. See how that wave contraction goes up, and he's just going to scooch on out. Oh, afraid I'm going to lose him. I'm stuck. I'll come back to the egg because he'll eat the egg before he eats the milkweed. He's got his little tushy stuck in there. That's something because the grown ones don't have splines, but the babies do. And he's completely white. He won't get his color until he starts eating some milkweed. But they usually come back and eat the egg first. He's in a bad spot. I can't really focus on him. Hey, little buddy. Happy birthday! It doesn't know what it wants to focus on. I'm sorry. I'm doing this over a cell phone attached to a stand, which is not meant for a cell phone. I taped it to it. And then that's all sitting next to the microscope. Look at how cute he is. Now he's going to eat the egg. They must be delicious because it's the first thing they go for. Has little caterpillar arms. Those are his true legs. He'll still have those when he turns into a butterfly. All the legs they have on the back leg are not true legs. They'll lose them. They will not be part of the butterfly after transformation. Oh, he's hungry. He's going to make some quick work of that. Oh, cute. I love watching hatchings.